How about another Palestinian recipe today? This, to many Palestinians, is from the heart of Gaza. Hey folks, I'm Aslin Blow from linsfood.com and Singaporean Malaysian recipes.com. Today's recipe has been a part of my Middle Eastern cooking classes for well over a decade now. It's a hearty stew. It's called Sumakiyyah, named after its main flavour, which is sumac. Now, it's a pretty easy recipe to make. The ingredients that you're going to need is basically beef or lamb, chard, chickpeas. Those form the body of the stew. And then we've got our flavorings: sumac, chili flakes, lots of olive oil, and quite a bit of garlic as well. If you want to read up more about the history, the culture, etc., you can head on over to my blog where you'll find the full write-up. But before we go, I just wanted to mention that interestingly enough, it's mentioned in this medieval cooking book, Kitabh al Tabikh, that was originally published sometime in the 13th century. So it is a very, very old recipe with lots and lots of history attached to it. So once you've done dishing it up, all you want to do is drizzle a little bit more olive oil. Be generous because it adds to the flavour, and a little bit of sumac, more sumac for another hit of tanginess. Is that a word, tanginess or tang? And then some chili flakes if you like. The dish is hearty, it's tangy, meaty, a little spicy, or not. Use mild chili flakes if you like, but I like it spicy, as you know. And it's absolutely delicious. All you want to go with it is a little bit of bread, whatever bread you happen to have, whether that's pita, lavash, baguette, ciabatta, it really doesn't matter. Here we go. Sumakiyyah, a dish synonymous with Gaza in Palestine. I shall see you guys real soon.